that stop sign not coming. Nah, I should be good. Dang, bro. I could have had it. I know I counter steered way too freaking hard at the end.
Yeah.
I had it too. All right.
Yep. Towards the end of it, make your goal to straighten the wheel out.
Straighten the wheel?
Yep.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
Wasn't bad at all. Wasn't bad.
That jump feels so smooth, bro.
It's loud.
This shit feel hella smooth, bro.
Not bad at all. It's so cool.
Yeah, I think that's the problem with me. I'm turning my wheel too far.
Yeah, at the start.
Yep.
At the start, the only problem was that, like you said, you were turning it too much.
And then giving it too much gas and then letting out the gas.
Yeah, so when you do that, it make the car want to go to a lot of angle when you turn a whole bunch initially. I just like turn a little bit, let the car kick out, and then counter steer. Ooh, wasn't too bad. I will crank it a little bit.
Yeah. But just think, like,
almost had it. Almost had it.
right.
Bruh, finally did it. That was my first time doing that. Yes. Bruh, that was so hard. Oh my God. Y'all don't even know that was my first time ever doing that. So it's one thing to watch on YouTube, but actually doing it is so scary. I ain't even gonna lie.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. In person, completely different feel, bro. It's completely different, bro. Especially knowing the car too. Oh my God, bro.
Oh my God. My first time ever doing a Feint entry in real life. Oh, that was so, bro. Oh my God.
That's different, cuz I ain't gonna lie, you different from now. He ain't gonna hold you. I still gotta learn how to damn turn out.
It's all about the mentality. So, you know, it's kind of hard to, you know, try to get out of your comfort zone, because that's basically what you're doing with drifting. Is doing something that the car's not really meant to do.
Yep.
And trying to get your brain to grasp the concept of what you need to do and how to do it, when to do it, based on how the car is reacting to things.
I'm about to say, I done done like that right there. What we trying to do now, other cars, like the Lexus. You was with me when I did the Lexus.
Yep.
We was pulling out the Millbrook, not Millbrook, but East Aiken. Did the jump perfect, but like this right here is way different.
Yeah, these cars right here are something serious.
Turned the wheel too hard, but
Gave it too much gas on transition. Still trying to figure out how to transition this car properly. Not enough wheel spin.
Yeah. So when you try to brake back to the left, it didn't spin at all?
No, when I tried to do the Manji, it didn't get a lot of wheel spin.
Yeah.
I need to rev it up some more. The joke behind the third gear is that his third gear grinds for some reason.
Yep. Famous with the MTA too.
Yep. You want to go get your car? I might try and do that area over there. I don't know.
Yeah. If you feel comfortable now.